how to make money on people per hour as a cartoonist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can create or where you can list your own skills by creating your profile in order to get hired for doing a job or get hired for a project or a gig from individuals or from individuals who are looking to outsource their tasks or from business owners who are looking to save work and to get some professional work for them. So for example, if you are a cartoonist, I'm going to show you some freelancers in this doing this skill, which is cartoonists. So here, let's search for cartoonists. And I can't seem to find those freelancers. Let's see all offers. So here we have no offers found. So I think it's in the animation, cartoon and comics, which it's this one. So here, those are some freelancers who are doing the same skill like the one you're offering. As you can see, this one draw the Williams family. This one creates an avatar. Another one as well. So here we have a lot of cartoonists, as you can see. So those are your competitors. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile, your own profile like these ones, and how you can set your price and all of that. So let's go back to our first page, and here click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then click on I want to work as a freelancer, and then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password. And then click on login. And here you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here click on apply now. After that, complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of business. So here, drop a profile picture, and then you proceed to the job title. So for example, an award-winning web developer, or you can just go with cartoonist. And here you can enter your skills, and the maximum amount of skills you can add is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So let's go with cartoon to see what we have. Cartoon and comics. Let's go for drawing, technical drawing, hand drawing, portrait drawing. So you can choose whatever you're good at and whatever you can do. So here let's go for pencil drawing as well, or freehand drawing. And that's enough, I guess. Then we proceed to the description. So here you describe yourself to buyers. So this description is very important, guys. It's what makes the client decide if he's going to work with you or not. So make sure to get a lot of inspiration from your competitors and make sure to make the best description that you can create. And in order to get some inspiration, we're going to go to check our competitors' descriptions, see what are they doing in their description. How are they describing themselves? What are they talking about? So here, let's check this one, for example, to see her description. So here, click on read more, and from the first site you will notice that this is a very brief description, and it's well organized as well. As you can see, hey, I'm Narcissus. I'm a freelancer artist with more than 5 years of experience. I've worked with many clients, from individuals to companies around the world. I can provide custom artworks in any style, whether you need a unique gift for your family, friends, or want to bring your story to life. Let me do it for you. My main services include caricature, cartoon, anime, chibi drawing, illustrating cartoon, chibi character from real photo, digital drawing, mascot design, or anything related to digital art. So this is a very decent inspiration for us. You can base your own description from this one, and we can also check other ones and see some other inspirations. So let's check this one, for example. So here we can check the description, and as you can see, this is a very small description. Hello, welcome to my profile. Working as a freelancer is my passion. I like doing creative works, editing, writing. I am here to help you with your online projects by providing useful content for any use. I will be more than happy to help you. So it's not a very good description, but its smallness gives it a good taste, and also she has some very good pictures in here, very good any cartoons. As you can see, highlight your message in a creative and fun way. This is a very good portfolio. So just this is enough to get her hired or to attract clients for her. This attracted me personally. I like those cartoons, the colors, this creative highlight, as you can see. So this is another good inspiration. Make sure to show your work in your profile like that to attract clients. So I think that's enough for the inspirations. Let's go back, and here make sure following those inspiration to create your description. After that, enter your location, the languages that you can speak, and your hourly rate in here. Then click on submit application. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.